Alright, so as you guys can see today, we're working on the Skyline. I got these street factions, like mounts and, I don't know, seat brackets for, the Skyline. So today I'm going to show you guys kind of like how to install them. So first I already took the seat out. It's just, where is it? 4 14s. You got one here, got one back there, and then another one right here, and that'll allow you to pop the seat out. And then the seat bracket, like buckle receiver thing, is also a 14. So and as you can see, this kit comes with a nice built-in thing for it. So I'm gonna hook these up and then pop the video back on. Alright, so I got this side all nice and snugged up, and before I attach this seat bracket to this mount, you do use this size. It's like a 5 mil for these bolts, and then the nut size is a 12 mil. So I'm gonna hurry up, attach this onto here, put this bracket on. I'll be right back. Alright, so as you guys can see, I have it in. It's not tight, like I still have to tighten these up, but I will tell you a trick. I have these snugged up, but I have it to where if I put pressure into it, I can still push it from side to side. So then, like, once you get your seat in and you can tighten it, it kind of will pull itself in a little bit. And yeah, because as you can see, so I'm gonna tighten these 4 up. I left these ones over here tight because that back bolt is a bitch to get to. So these will be a lot easier. So I'm gonna tighten these up after I tighten these 4 up. And yeah, then pretty sure this is tight, but I'm gonna recheck all the bolts on it, and that'll be it. I got to get the cushions out of BMW, which is, you won't be able to see it, but yeah, that's how you install a bride's seat in your Skyline R32. Stay tuned. I'll leave the links to all the stuff that I used in the description, and let's just say this will be going soon. Stay tuned.